Okay guys, so we need only slight retouch for this color just to make a balanced color because some other areas are faded, and so we need retouch only side from the top just to change that for now, just to finish this project. This is already finished project, but I need to cover the screws or some uh, areas that I'm not contented. So it's already in the marketplace or the garage. So this is only a light paint only because of this area. Okay, the damaged area. So it's okay now. I'm retouching, and then about this, we continue cover some other side. Okay, for this. Okay, this is the tutorial how to prepare the color and fix the problem of your project to make money for this summer. Okay, extra income. If you're slow in the work like me, this is what the best thing to do. Okay, this is the best thing to do. Extra income you can use before sale. Okay, so spine use first before sell it or sell it directly. No need time to wait long time before you sell it. As long as you can sell it immediately, it's fine. Okay, because if you can use many months, many years, many weeks, many days, no problem. So okay, so this is a tutorial not only to make money or own business in online. The important you're not bored, you're happy for what you're doing, then sell it. Instead, give to others or throw in the dumpster. Okay, so that's it for now. Only retouch, no need too much dark, only light only. Okay, just balance the paint. That's it. Okay, okay, as long as you're happy, contented for what you're doing, you're not bored, make money, repair, and then save. So that's it for now, guys. So there's some customers are very sensitive, and some others just in the important they can put it what they want. That's it. Not sensitive the color or the damage. So that's it for now, guys. So subscribe and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos for this week. So see you guys, and subscribe, click the notification bell for the latest videos for today. So this is the product we finished for today. Painting the mini kitchen cabinet or TV stand and long white TV stand or table. And this is our finished product before 2 weeks from now. The other one is totally sold. So This is the one only. Okay guys, so subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel for the latest video. Okay, see you guys. That's it for now.